Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to translate text on iPhone. Translating text on your iPhone allows you to quickly understand content in different languages. Built-in tools make it easy to translate words, sentences, or entire paragraphs. You can use system features or apps to get accurate translations in seconds. To begin, To begin, open the Translate app. Launch the Apple Translate. Select languages. Choose the From and To languages at the top. Tap Enter Text. Choose the text input field. Type or paste text. Enter the text you want to translate. Tap Go, Next, or Translate if options appears. View the translated result instantly. Listen to translation. Tap the speaker or play icon to hear pronunciation. Use copy feature. Copy translated text for use in other apps. Switch languages. Tap the swap icon to swap translation direction. Use system-wide translate. Highlight text in apps like Notes or Safari. Tap Translate from menu. Select the Translate option from the pop-up menu. Download languages. Optional. Enable offline translation in app settings by tapping the three dots. Then tap Language. Then tap the download icon on your chosen language to download. Use camera translation. Scan printed text using your camera. Save favorites. Optional. Bookmark frequently used translations. Review recent history. Access previews translations for quick reference. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.